Good evening.
Good evening, beta. Good evening. How are you? Are you fine?
Fine.
Okay. Today we start with the data handling, chapter data handling. Okay. You are aware about it, but from sixth class, let us before starting the chapter, we see a video here from Tata Edge class. Let us see this. After that, we will start. Are you able to see?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let us see here. I'm going to start this. How How many people are there? Have you an idea? 7 people are there who are working in the office. Next. One day they order a food from outside. है ना? How much money they paid? All they paid 245 rupees. All. What to find out? Let us see. We have to find out the mean that they have, average that they have paid. Money paid by the 7 people. How to solve this? We will divide 245 by the 7. Why by 7? Because there are 7 people in the office who take lunch together one day. See here. Now, what is data? The term data comes here. What is data? First of all, data is this. The money paid by different peoples. For example, this person, Subra, paid 36 rupees. Ankita paid 32 rupees. Paul paid 35. Jath 29. Asim 37. Rinki 37 and 39 by Neha. This whole money paid by these 7 people is known as data, right? Understand the data? What is data? Do you understand data? Some observation, some information gathered. Okay? Some information gathered. Here, what type of information is you gathered here? What type of information you gathered? Wait, Diksha, tell me. The money paid by the 7 people for taking the lunch. Okay? Now, we want to find out what is the mean of this data. What to do for that? We will add the money of all the peoples. We will add the money paid by all the peoples. इन सभी लोगों द्वारा जितना मनी पे हुआ उसको हम क्या कर देंगे ऐड ठीक है दैट इज सम ऑफ all the observations all the data collected ठीक है and we add we get 245 this is known as the sum of observations right now we want to find out the mean here क्या पता करना है हमने बेटा mean how to calculate mean mean कैसे पता करेंगे mean, or we can say it is arithmetic mean. The sum of observations upon number of observations. The sum of observation कितनी है? 245. And number of observation मतलब number of people who paid the money, that is divided by 7. What left? 7. 7 3 the 21. Right na? 21. How much left? कितने बचे?
3.
35. 7 5 the 35. This is the mean. ठीक है, अगर सभी ने देना होता है इक्वल मनी कितना देना पड़ेगा? 35 35. ठीक है, अगर वो कहते हैं कि हमने इक्वल मनी देना तो कितना देना होता? 35 35. दिस इज नोन एज द एवरेज मीन. Average money paid by all the 7 people. This is known as mean. Right? Understand what is mean and what is data?
Yes, sir.
Okay. After that, let us find out range. See here, range. What is range? Range क्या होती? What is range? Let us see here, range. Range of the data. Range means maximum. From here you can see range is maximum money paid by the person. Who paid maximum money? Neha. ठीक है, maximum money paid minus minimum money paid. Who paid minimum money here? Jay paid minimum money. Minus minimum money paid. ठीक है, so what is answer? 39 minus 29. That is what? 10. This is the range, beta. This is what? This is the range. Understand? Hello? Do you understand, beta?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Next we have, let us see here. Now, this was all about the data. Now, data is a collection of numbers gathered to give some information. Organizing data. Data को organize कैसे करना है? First of all, we should know that what is raw data. Raw data is a data which is not arranged in specified manner. ठीक है? A data which is not arranged in specified manner. What do you mean by the specified manner? Do you understand why the word specified? Specified means either ascending order or descending order. Understand that? Specified
Yes,
मतलब समझे तुम? Either ascending or descending order. This data, whole data is not arranged in a specified manner. That's why it is known as the raw data. Here you can easily see that. Somewhere 10 is there, somewhere 12 is there, somewhere 9 is there. If we want to write it in specified manner, then we have to write in ascending order or descending order. Now, see here, what is the maximum or minimum score here? Can you tell me what is the maximum and minimum score? From this data, can you tell me maximum score? Tell me. Maximum score?
20.
20 is the maximum score. Good, beta. And minimum?
2.
2 is the minimum score, right? Now you can find out the range here. Range. What is the range here? Maximum score minus
Minimum.
Minimum score. Minimum score. That is, what is the maximum score here, beta? Tell me. 20 minus 2, that is 18. 18 is the range. Now, what the question is there? How many students got more than 17 marks? How many students got more than 17 marks? One is this, another is this, 19, 20, plus 2 students. 2 students, only 2 students, है ना? Only 2 students. Beta, understand? Do you understand, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Next we have, see here, the range you have. You are aware about the range, है ना? Then arithmetic mean also you are aware that sum of all observation divided by the number of observations. Next we have a question here, beta ji. The weights in kg of 10 students of a class are the weight of 10 student is given. What is the weight? Write down here. Solution. Come to this point. Solution. First of all, you will write down the given weight of 10 students of class, that is 43.5. This is a weight beta of 10 students. कुछ भारे ने कुछ हल्के ने है ना. So this is 52, 43, 44.5, 38.5, 40, 47, 38. Right? Now what to do? Question is to find the mean weight. Mean weight कैसे पता करेंगे? First of all, we will write down the sum of observations. Sum of observations. Write down sum of बेटा लिख रहे हो ना? Observations. That is equal to 43.5 plus 49.5 plus 52 plus 43 plus 44.5 plus 38.5 plus 40 plus 47 plus 38. Now, after adding what you find out, कितना हुआ वे ऐड करके बेटा? 440. Hello, 443. 443.0 ले दो बेटा. Now, number of observation. How many observations are there? Hello, number of observations. Observations. How many observations are there? How many students? That is equal to the number of observations. कितने student है बेटे? 10 students are there. Therefore, 10 observations are there. Okay. Now, to find out the mean. क्या पता करना बेटा हमने? Mean. Then mean. To find out mean. Mean is equal to this one divided by this. What is this? The sum of observations. Sum of observations. Observations divided by number of observations. Number of observations. Observations. How much sum is? कितनी sum बेटे? Tell me, hello. What is the sum? 443 divided by 10. What is the answer बेटा बताओ? 10 से divide करके.
44.3.
Yes, 44.3 kg. This is the average weight. Okay. Now, next question is You have to find out the range of weight. रेंज ऑफ वेट कैसे पता करनी है बेटा, याद है आपको? अभी करवाया मैंने, बताओ व्हाट इज द रेंज ऑफ वेट बेटा, बताओ। सेकंड वन इज, नहीं पता, अभी तो बताइए।
maximum value minus minimum value.
यस, रेंज इज इक्वल टू मैक्सिमम वेट माइनस मिनिमम वेट। यहाँ आएगा ना मैक्सिमम वेट माइनस मिनिमम वेट आ जाएगा, ठीक है ना। दैट इज इक्वल टू व्हाट, मैक्सिमम वेट कितना है बेटे, सबसे ज्यादा किसका वेट है, चेक आउट 52 kg, ठीक है, तो राइट डाउन 52 है। एंड मिनिमम इज, मिनिमम बताओ बेटा,
38.
38 is the minimum. Now subtract them. What is the answer here you got? क्या आंसर आया बेटा, माइनस करो फटाफट, बोलो कितना आया बच्चे,
14.
14 है ना, कितना कितना आया बेटा, 14,
14.
yes 14 kg is the weight, ठीक है। Next question is what, find the number of students having weight more than the mean weight. mean weight कितना है बेटे, उससे ज्यादा कितने बच्चों का है बोला है इसने, ठीक है। तो किसने, किसका है बताओ, टेल मी व्हाट इज द मीन वेट, 44 kg इज द मीन वेट ना।
Yes, sir.
हाँ, तो इससे ज्यादा, ज्यादा किनका है, 44 kg से ज्यादा किनका है, देखो बोला, एक तो ये हो गया बेटा, एक ये 2 3 4 5, कितने आए बेटा, 1 2 3 4
5.
5 स्टूडेंट्स, ठीक है। यहाँ ले दो बेटा, पास में ले दो इसके, सॉरी 1 सेकेंड, हाँ देखो यहाँ लिखो, द नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स, यहाँ से शुरू कर दो, नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स हैविंग वेट मोर देन द मीन वेट इज इक्वल टू 5, ठीक है, ठीक है, अंडरस्टैंड।
Yes, sir.
हाँ, नाउ मूव टू नेक्स्ट। हाँ, see here, the attendance in a school for a week is as follows. ये दी हुई है, attendance in a school for a week. week मतलब 6 days of week is there, 7 days होते हैं ना, संडे संडे नहीं गिनना, संडे को थोड़ी आते हैं, आपको छुट्टी होती है, ठीक है। लिखो गिवन सॉल्यूशन, गिवन the attendance in a school is, कितनी है बेटा, attendance in school is, write down here 425, बेटा बोल नहीं रहे आप, 430 400 408
410.
410
423.
yes 423, sorry 423. Now what we do, we will add the data, we will add all the attendance of 6 days, there are 6 days, लिखो sum of observations, what is sum of observation, add 425 plus 430 plus 400 plus 408 plus 410 plus 423. The sum total is what? Sum total बताओ कितना आएगा बेटा इसका? That is 2496. This is the total. Now want to find out what? हम क्या find out करना चाहते हैं? We want to find
Mean.
out. Yes. Speak out. What you said?
Mean.
Yes, mean. How to find out mean? First of all, number of observations we will write down. Number of observations. Count them. How many observations are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore, number of observations are 6. Now, therefore, mean or average? Mean is equal to 2496. That is sum of observations divided by number of observation. That is 6. Number of observation कितनी है बेटे? 6 observations are there. Therefore, divided by 6. 6 for the 24. कितने बचे? कुछ नहीं बचा. 9 आ गया बेटे? 9 is there. 6 1 the 6. Right? 3 बचे. 6 is the 36. 3 6 is 36. 6 is the 36. This is the mean. 416 is the average attendance in a school. Right? This is average attendance in a school. Understand, bete?
Yes, sir.
No problem?
No, sir.
Okay, next question we have. The height of 10 boys were measured in the centimeters, and the result is as follows. First of all, what we write down? The given data. Come here. Solution. Given the height of height of 10 students. 10 students is क्या बेटा? 143, 132, 149, 148, 151, 146, 135, 128, 139 and 150. ठीक है? This is height in centimeters. ठीक है? Now what he asked, that height of the tallest Y. Tell me what is the height of tallest Y?
151.
Yes, see here. See here. That is height of tallest Y is 151. And the height of shortest Y is 120.
128.
Yes, write down here. You can write here also in front of this. The height of the tallest Y is 151 centimeter. And the height of the smallest Y is 128 centimeter. Now the range of data is height of tallest Y, height of tallest Y, Y minus height of beta shortest Y. Y क्या है shortest Y की height? 151 है tallest Y की और shortest Y की
128.
अब इनको सब्ट्रैक्ट करके बताओ मेरे को कितना आया. जल्दी करो. शाबाश, बहुत अच्छे.
24.
Yes. How much? 23, ठीक है, कितना बेटे 23, राइट, 23 सेंटीमीटर आ गया, राइट। नाउ वी वांट टू फाइंड आउट द मीन हाइट हियर, मीन हाइट पता करने के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा, फोर्थ क्वेश्चन, मीन फाइंड आउट करना है, क्या पता करना है, मीन, मीन के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा, पहले सम ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशंस, व्हाट टू डू, वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द सम ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशंस, sum of observations, how much sum of observation is there, 140, add all of them, 132, 149, 148, 151, 146, 135, 128, 139 plus 150. Therefore, total sum of the all the observation is कितनी आई total sum बेटा, 1000, बोलो 1421, या आपने ऐड करके देखना है, मैंने तो करा हुआ है ना, इसको ऐड कर लिया मैंने, आप भी करके देखना, ठीक है। नाउ नंबर ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशंस, नंबर ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशंस, नंबर ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशंस, कितनी है ऑब्जर्वेशंस बेटा, हाउ मेनी ऑब्जर्वेशंस आर देयर, हाउ मेनी स्टूडेंट्स आर देयर, टेल मी, कितने स्टूडेंट है बताओ बेटा,
10.
यस, तो नंबर ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशन भी 10 हुई, ठीक है ना,
Yes.
हाँ, therefore mean is equal to sum of observations, that is 1421 divided by 10, therefore mean is 142.1, this is the mean, okay. Now can the how many boys are there whose height is less than the mean height, mean height से किन बच्चों की हाइट कम है, कितने हैं वो, you have to tell, ठीक है, 142.1 है ना, इससे कम वाले देख लो कितने हैं, 142 से कम, ये है एक तो 1 2 3 4, कितने हैं बेटा 4, देखो अगला क्वेश्चन, फिफ्थ पार्ट इसका, number of boys whose height is less than mean height, कितने बेटा, जिनके मीन हाइट से कम है हाइट, they are 4 in numbers, 4, right, do you understand beta, कोई problem,
Yes, sir.
any problem to anybody,
No, sir.
are you sure,
Yes, sir.
okay, thank you. Now for the next, now come let us see the video, one more video we have, after that, for 1 second, wait for 1 second, and if number of observations here are odd, you can find out the median easily. You can find out the median easily. How to find out the median easily? According to me, a number of observations are there. कितनी observation है? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 observations are there, na? It means they are odd. 9 observations is odd. Now write in ascending order. Ascending order मतलब lower to higher level लिखना है. अब इनमें से how to find out which one is the middle term? To find out the middle term, you will write down middle term. Middle term. That is 9. Number of observations plus 1 divided by 2. 9 plus 1 कितना हुआ बेटे? बताओ. 10 by 2. It means 5. Fifth term जो होगी वो क्या होगी? Median होगी. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. इनके fifth term है. This is a fifth term है. Therefore this is a median. Therefore median is equal to middle term. That is 4. Right? समझ आ गया बेटा? Now for even. Even के लिए देखो क्या होएगा. Let us see for the even. If number of observations are even, how to find out the median? We can find out the median of middle terms. How to find out which middle terms are there? 2 middle terms are there. For example, here are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 terms are there. 10 means क्या हुआ बेटा? Even. Even है तो इसमें कितनी टर्म आएंगे? 2. How to find out the median? Middle 2 terms. Middle 2 terms means this one. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth term and sixth term. Mean of fifth term and sixth term is a median. Mean of fifth and sixth term is median. ठीक है ना?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, तो fifth term कौन सी है? 2 and sixth term is 4. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 by 2, that is equal to 3. This is the answer. You understand, beta? What is median?
Yes, sir.
Okay, beta. Okay, with this we finish. Okay. Okay, bye. Take care. Bye bye. You can leave the class now. Okay.
Sir.
Bye, beta. Bye.
Bye.
Okay.